Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the PG candidates guys. Why? Because here the lecturer recruitment notifications are announced from the three different colleges, and out of these three, few are the degree colleges and few are the +2 colleges. Anyhow, with only post graduation you can apply for this post guys. UGC NET or the PhD is not mandatory. Okay, so with only PG also you can apply for this one, and there is no application fee also. By simply sending your resume to the provided mail ID, the application process will be done. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be really helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notifications. And please give me one like for this video guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so out of the three colleges, the first one is a KLE Society, Belagavi, Karnataka. And here the recruitments are happening guys. Okay, and wanted the lecturers for its unaided PUC or the degree colleges in Bengaluru. That means if you once selected, you have to work in the Bengaluru itself, and you can apply from any state from all over the India guys. Okay, and applications are invited for the post of lecturers in the following subjects. So while coming to the PUC means plus 12. Okay, that means intermediate, 10 plus 12 candidates. You have to teach the electronics and the Kannada. So here for the electronics, the eligibility is MSc Electronics or BE Electronics with minimum 60 marks, and B.Ed is preferred. That means even though if you don't have the B.Ed, if you are having only MSc Electronics or else the BTech Electronics or MTech Electronics also, you can apply for this one guys. Okay, so previously I got one comment that please find out any one job for the MSc Electronic candidate. So based upon that one I searched this one. Okay, so similarly if you want, that means whatever the department you belongs to, if your departments are not covered in this advertisement, please post your department requirement in the comment section. Based upon that one I will come up with my next video guys. Okay, so please don't disappoint. And coming to the Kannada, MA Kannada with minimum of 60% marks and B.Ed is preferred, and it is for the PUC, that means 10 plus 2. While coming to the degree college, commerce, librarian, Kannada, English, zoology and placement officer required. Coming to the commerce, MCom with minimum 60% of marks, library, master in library science with minimum 55% of marks, and Kannada, MA in Kannada with minimum 60% of marks. While coming to the English, MA in English with minimum of 60% of marks. Coming to the zoology, MSc with minimum of 60% of marks, and the placement officer MBA HR with minimum 60% of marks, and should have the prior experience in the recruitments. Fine. So these are all the requirements guys. So while coming to the note, preference will be given to the candidates with KCET, NET or the PhD and the experienced candidates. Selection will be based upon the written test, demo and followed by an interview. That means 3 rounds will be there. First written test and then demo and then interview. Okay, so here of course demo and interview, both these two will be followed in the next round itself after the written test. And whoever the interested candidates are there, you have to send your resume to the if you are applying for the PUC 10 plus 2, then you have to send your resume to the KLESNCPU.edu.in. Okay, so I'm just little bit zooming this one guys. So all of you please note down the mail ID very carefully. Why? Because I am getting a few comments that the mail ID is not visible in the proper way in my video. So please note down recruitment@klesncpu.edu.in, and the contact number is also provided. If you are having any query regarding this recruitment, then you may call to this number guys, 9900055347. And while coming to the candidates who are applying for the degree colleges, KLESNC recruitment@gmail.com, and here the mobile number is also provided. So 8277110133. If you are having any query, you may call to this one. You have to apply on or before 7th July 2021. Okay, so it is a recruitment regarding this one, guys. And while coming to the next college is, so here the total 3 different colleges are there, guys. I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the lecturer job notifications with only post graduation. Fine. So coming to this one, employment notification from Megha Women's Degree College and Omega Women's Degree College and the Omega Degree College. All these are located in the Hyderabad, that means in Telangana district, guys. So here the contact numbers are also provided. So please note down 9618466800 and the next one 9640577791. Next Omega Degree College 9246805896. So these are the contact numbers. Please note down. Okay, if you are having any queries, then please contact to them, guys. Applications are invited for principals and lecturers in the following subjects: computer science, commerce, management, mathematics, statistics, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, nutrition, health, English, Telugu, Hindi, Sanskrit. Okay, so these are the subjects, guys. If you're having post graduation only in these subjects, then you may apply for this one, no problem. So, and while coming to the, it is a degree and a PG college, guys, but while coming to the PG college, whoever applying for the commerce, okay, then those candidates must have the MCOM and MSc statistics with PhD. Okay, so for all the remaining departments, only PG is enough, guys. Interested candidates may apply with complete biodata along with 2 photographs and a copy of certificates to the following address or send their resume to their mail ID. Instead of sending the hard copy, just please send your resume to this provided email ID, guys. And one more contact number is also there here, 9246805891. Okay, coming to the email, megha omega.hr@omegacolleges.com. Okay, megha.hr@omegacolleges.com. Fine, it is the second one. And while coming to the third one, it is Patil College of Pharmacy, okay, D Pharmacy. And here you have to note down the mail ID carefully, guys. PHARATEPHARMACY. That means Farat E Pharmacy. PHARATE Farat E Pharmacy @gmail.com. And here the principal one post is there, and while coming to the lecturer, here the 5 posts are there. Okay, so B Pharmacy or the M Pharmacy with first class. Lab assistant 3 vacancies are there. D Pharmacy or the BSc. Librarian 1 post. Yeah, Master in Library Science with a net or set. Accountant 1 post. Okay, MCOM and JDC and A. And coming to the junior and clerk, MCOM or MSc IT or Tally and Peon, 12th pass. Okay, so please send your application along with the biodata, all relevant documents in 10 days on the above email or the address. Okay, this advertisement came on June 30th, guys. So 10 days means July 10th, the time is there. So please hurry up, and the interested candidates may apply for this one. Okay, so finally these are the 3 advertisements, guys. I think this video will be really helpful to the candidates with only post graduation to apply for this one. So please utilize this opportunity, and I am requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications, which will be very, very helpful to them, guys. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.